And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone, and happy Father's Day. Boy, another hot one this afternoon with high temperatures in the triple digits in McAllen, Edinburgh, the Upper Valley, 90s elsewhere. We had a record high of 103 this afternoon in McAllen. A lot of sunshine. That'll continue for tomorrow. Take a look at the winds right now. They're out of the south to southeast between 9 to 20 miles an hour with a gust of 16 miles an hour in Weslaco. Still very warm out there for this Sunday evening. The temperatures right now are in the lower 80s in Brownsville, Port Isabel, Raymondville, mid-80s in Edinburgh, and 87 degrees right now in Rio Grande City. So here's your day planner forecast for Monday, and it is more of the same. Some clouds in the morning at 8 a.m., but other than that, mostly sunny, hot and breezy. A great day for the lemonade. 80 degrees at 8 a.m., 94 is the temperature at noon, and 96 degrees at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperatures elsewhere right now across the region. 78 degrees in Abilene, 84 in San Antonio, 92 in Laredo, 80 in Longview, and 74 degrees in Oklahoma City. So we're tracking the tropics here at Channel 5. We continue to watch two different systems or potential systems. The National Hurricane Center is now calling this tropical wave potential tropical storm 2, very close to developing. Right now it has a 90% chance of development over the next 2 to 5 days. And the forecast right now as it stands take this potential system toward the west-northwest into the Caribbean Sea, but eventually perhaps becoming a tropical depression. Meanwhile, we have this area of low pressure just off the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula, and this has an 80% chance of development over the next 2 days. Now, once again, if you've been following us all this weekend, I've been showing you two different forecast models because those forecast models vehemently disagree on where this potential system might go. So here's model number one. This is the European forecast model, and this one wants to take this potential tropical system to the northwest into the western Gulf of Mexico, then more to the west-northwest, and look at that. This hints at perhaps making a landfall somewhere along the valley or just south of the valley in Mexico. Now, let me show you the other model. That second model is the American GFS model and a completely different track here. This model wants to develop the system too, but take it more to the north into the northern Gulf of Mexico. Now, yesterday, this GFS model was hinting at more toward a landfall toward the Florida Panhandle, now shifting it westward today toward perhaps New Orleans. But keep in mind, these models have changed and most likely will continue to change, and because of that uncertainty and that wide disagreement, that's why the forecast right now is still very uncertain. So the best thing to do is to keep it tuned to Channel 5. At this point, we're going to put in small rain chances here in the forecast for the valley starting Wednesday, but that will depend on where this potential system goes. On the water for tonight and tomorrow, small craft should use caution on the Gulf waters. We'll have winds out of the southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters will become moderate tonight, then a light chop tomorrow. Next tide, a high tide at 12:09 in the morning, actually 12:49 in the morning on Monday. So for tonight, some clouds overnight with low temperatures in the upper 70s, just warm and muggy. Then for tomorrow, 99 degrees, mostly sunny skies, breezing hot. We will see highs in the triple digits for places like McAllen, Edinburgh, and the Upper Valley. And here's that 7-day forecast. At this point, we're picking a 30% chance of some showers and thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday. That may change depending on where that potential tropical system heads. And of course, you can get your Channel 5 hurricane tracking map at any Whataburger location in the valley. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. Now